I have something super cool to show you guys today in Excel. It's a time-saving trick called flash fill, and it is for instantly formatting data without using formulas. So here we have a very, very simple Excel sheet just for this example, but obviously this would work with a much bigger sheet, and that's when you probably need it the most, to be honest, but we're going to use it for this, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So say I wanted to break the full name into two. I wanted one column for first name, one column for last name, and also a column for phone number that's formatted like a phone number, because these don't look like phone numbers. They just look like a bunch of numbers. Okay, so I've got my new columns, and I just added a bottom border to be fun. So what do I mean? First name. I'm going to write the first name that's in A2 here of this person that I want to be in this column, which would be Alice, A-L-I-C-E. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to select outside of that box, then I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to hit my keyboard shortcut, Control E. Look at that. It filled in all of the first names from column A to E. It was smart enough to break apart the first and last and find that pattern. So cool. All right, what if I want to do last name? Same idea, Carter, but I'm going to select outside, go back in, but this time I'm not going to use my keyboard shortcut. I'm going to go to my data tab here and hit flash fill. Look at that. It broke out all of the last names. So cool. So you don't need to know the keyboard shortcut. You can still get to what you need to by going to data and hitting flash fill if you can't remember that. And now to show you how formatting works, we can grab this first phone number, copy and paste. Doesn't hurt to copy and paste. You can still do that. And I'm just going to format it like a phone number. Select outside, select back in. And now I'm going to hit Control E. And look at that. It filled it in using the exact numbers. They all match up, but with the formatting I like. And if I want to replace this old column with the new numbers, I can just select the whole column, cut, select the column I want to replace, right click, and paste. And look at that. It still works. It holds up because these are not formula based. And it works like a charm. So I found this super cool and helpful. I hope you did too. If you did, give it a like and check out my playlist in Excel for more. Thanks.